Hey, aloha everybody. This is KP. I'm just making this little video because I don't know what the heck I'm doing the rest of the day because I'm here at the coffee shop and it's about 4:30, 5 o'clock, something like that in the afternoon. I've just been having some car challenges. Um, my car simply doesn't start at all. So we're going to get that checked out, but I'm waiting to get my car towed that way to my place. Whoop, there goes the camera. There we go. And but I will say one thing, that the energies here are just extremely, there's a lot of turmoily type of energies. It seems like things are being stirred up and you know uh, finagled about, and there's a lot of things that are coming up in my life and other people's lives that are just really, here we go, let me fix this again, there we go. um, so anyway, I just wanted to pass that along. If there are things happening in your own arena, um, hey, it's part of the game, baby. So we'll talk later, and we'll be riding well in the Cosmic Radiance vehicle again, I'm sure, very soon. So aloha, hui ho, until we talk again.